Assalamu alaikum. We are going to draw drawing 13 using line, circle, arc commands and their options. Go to AutoCAD. Make sure you have your template with title block and layers. Go to model space. Make object your current layer and start with a circle with diameter. You can start at 10, 10. The diameter is 1.71. Zoom extends. The next circle, the radius is given, so you can select that one. It's 2.17 radius. The third one is 2.55. Then you're going to draw a line from the quadrant, left quadrant downward to 3.65. You can copy this line or mirror that on the other quadrant and then draw a line to connect them. I'm going to draw the arc with start center radius, start, end, and radius is half of this line, so you can click at the midpoint. Now I'm going to use the center layer to draw some reference lines, one from left quadrant to right quadrant, and then make sure you have your polar tracking on, and the option you want is 15 degrees, 15, 30, 45 series, and draw a line from center. You are going to need one vertical line for reference. You may start that as well, and then one line that is on 15 degrees. So if you see over here, it will snap on 15. On both sides 15 degrees, and then you can select those two lines first and then trim in the middle. For the outer one, trim the upper half of the circle. Let's go back to object layer and select the option of arc, center, start, angle. Click on center, start, and angle is 76.36. Mirror that on the other side. That makes your drawing complete. Go to your viewport and double click inside, unlock it, zoom extend, then give it an appropriate scale. 1 to 2 looks good, and lock it back. Now go to the dimension layer, double click outside of the viewport so that you are in the paper space, and now you can add your dimensions. So there is one linear dimension, then there is the radius dimension, angular dimension is for this. So this is still an arc of 330 degrees. Angular dimension of this arc. Click on this dimension, right click and change the precision to 2 decimals. Diameter dimension for the inner circle and radius dimension of this circle. You will notice that the radius of this arc and the outer circle are identical, so we just need to show that once. And that completes your drawing. If you learn anything, please like, subscribe and share. Allah Hafiz.